All right, today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. This is the Kubernetes CSI implementation meeting. So our main upcoming deadline is Thursday, June 25th, which is code freeze. It's about a month away. Let's just go down our status updates for all of the projects that we plan to do. Oops. So I guess going down the list, there is a fix in progress for fixing a scaling regression in terms of number of volumes that get attached in 117. I think the fix is still in progress. It looks like there's unit tests or something that's failing. So yeah, I think there still needs to be some work there. Okay. Next up is this saving volume data recovery. I guess, is Hamat here? No. Okay. I think Hamat was reviewing this. I'll sync up with him later. And also there's a number of changes that we plan to make to external provisioner. So I don't think any progress has been made on these. I'll have to ping the authors to see if they can rebase and continue. And then Patrick has been helping out with migrating our release infrastructure over to the Kubernetes infrastructure. And I believe there's still some work. It's making progress. So hopefully in the next few weeks, we should be able to switch over. Let's see. I'm gonna skip Windows since Jing and Deep are not here. Next, we have volume health.
Yeah, so I have been reviewing Nick's changes, just waiting for him to update again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And also CSI, hopefully the 1.3 will be cut soon, then we can update, use that.
All right, sounds good. Next, we have volume snapshots.
Oh, I actually have a question for the volume house.
Oh, yeah.
Do you think we need documentation for that? I'm not sure because I got pinned by the release team. I'm not sure what you want to add.
No,
Did you say?
I don't think so.
Okay, I'll just say no documents. Okay.
Yeah, sure. It's all on the driver side. So like,
yeah, it's
documents
also a little weird, right? You say there'll be events. Seems to be a little strange. Okay. Yeah. All right.
That makes sense.
Okay. And okay. So Snap. Yeah. Yeah. I'm still waiting for. There was he's supposed to add a unit test, and then this other person working on mock drivers. I'm still waiting for those changes as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Other than that, so the pro, I think that's done, right? Is there still more? At least now, well, we don't have tests, but at least it's running. It passed. So.
The unit tests and stuff.
Yeah, well, there is no test, but I mean, like at least everything else passed. The pro is added there. We just as soon as we have test added, then yeah, so he added my change, so it passed. So it got triggered. Okay. Yeah, so it got like all the other things checked. With no real unit test, but it passed everything else basically. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Then that
probably should be done now. I don't have to. This is right now. It's just as to do.
Okay. Yeah. Just close that out when you get a chance.
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right, next is snapshots.
Yeah, so I have another PR because I had one that is for the sidecar, and I realized actually the same thing in the common controller. So Shang Chen is reviewing that. It's another review, the requeue logic change.
Okay.
I think his PR is, oh no, this is, okay, I should add another one, right? This one is actually merged, right? Correct. I will add another, I have another requeue thing for the common controller. I will add it there. And then his PR, so his PR, the basic one got changed, so get merged on metrics, and then I think he's going to work on the next one. Yeah, so that one is still not done yet. I think the person, Karthik, working on that, he has some issues with it because I think it has to do with this V2 thing. So once V2 is there, he was having some problems.
Oh, I think there's some you need to have the directories in a special structure.
Right. So I told him that, but I think then he was running without the V2, then he was okay. But adding that in the past, then he has some issues. So I think he was trying to figure that out. So that's why that one is not ready yet. So we'll see how long that takes. I probably need to take a look at that. So, but at least I like to get my change also in there before we cut another release. And also there was one other change I need to ping. I think it's a Christian Hoffman who is working on another bug fix, which we delete the snapshot class, and then once that's deleted, we actually don't go delete the snapshot. So so that change we should get in actually. I think I need to ping him again. He didn't respond to my ping. So that one I'd like to get in. So that one and the requeue one I'd like to get it in at least before we cut another release. But I mean, if we can get this move API out thing in, that would be great. I will check with this guy who's working on that.
Awesome, thank you.
Oh, and Grant, I think his PR needs review. If you can take a look at his PR, Grant's E2E test.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep, that's good. Ready for review.
All right, awesome. Okay. I'll ask one of my team members who's doing snapshot testing to help take a look at that.
Okay.
Cool, thanks.
All right. Next up is volume expansion. Is Hamad here? Nope. We'll skip that, but I guess we're slowly making progress on resolving all of the issues. Is there, let's see. So I know we're doing a bunch of other things for 119, but I guess we don't have tracking issues for them. Let's see. I guess one, I have to think off the top of my head. We're doing things related to FS Group and SE Linux, is that right?
We do FS Group that's directly related to CSI that would allow drivers to skip FS Group ownership change completely. The driver doesn't support it. And then we have SE Linux. It's generic Kubernetes thing, not sure. It includes CSI too, but do we want to track it here?
I guess we don't have to, since it's not really specific to CSI. Like there's nothing in the sidecars that we need, right?
Probably need a, does it need a sidecar, or is it like a common controller that have, it's like a in-tree controller?
It's just part of the mount.
Which one are we talking about?
The FS Group and SE Linux changes.
Oh, okay.
They're all sort of at mount time.
Okay.
When Kubernetes calls mount. Yeah, I guess we don't really have to track it here.
Okay. What about this other generic ephemeral volume? Does that need to?
Yeah, that needs to be tracked here. That will need significant external provisioner changes. I think.
No CSI spec change, right? Does it need CSI spec change?
No CSI spec changes, but it needs significant external provisioner changes.
Okay.
Why?
Or is that the in-tree change? I somehow thought
oh wait,
remember.
sorry.
Is that the in-tree change? Is it?
Oh, sorry, I'm confusing the things. This is you're talking about the ephemeral volumes?
Right.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, that doesn't need any sidecar changes.
Okay, but the capacity.
I was
need
thinking,
a sidecar,
yeah,
right?
capacity does.
Okay,
yes.
so that we need to check.
That's the one I was talking about. Okay. Okay. I'll follow up with Patrick to have him open up a tracking board for that, the capacity tracking. All right. And then I think Shane, you said someone is working on fixing the deleting volumes.
I think that's otherwise merged. I believe. I don't.
Is it?
Is there item here? I'm not sure if we have an item. I know there's a PR that we. I think Young merged it. Yeah, I think you have your last comment is to add some more unit tests. I think he added that, and then after that, I believe Young merged. Yeah, he merged that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, basically just checking if it's attached before delete, right? Yeah. So yeah, that one's done.
Okay, awesome. Cool. I'll just add it to the done list. All right. Any other changes, features, or bug fixes that that we know about? Oh, there was one that Andy was doing. Where is that? Okay. Well, anyway, the one that Andy's doing, I can add it to this list so that we can keep track of it. All right. Any other topics that anyone wants to bring up? All right, then we'll end the meeting for today. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.